Hello, this is Paulino Brenner, and in this video we're going to have a first look at a new feature for Google Plus Hangout On Air. Now you can schedule a Google Plus Hangout On Air for the future date and time. Go to the drop-down menu on the left and click Hangout On Air. On this page, you will see the current live Hangout On Air and a blue button that says Schedule a Hangout On Air. Now, the old button used to say Start a Hangout On Air, and here I refresh the page and we can still see that. But when we click on it, a window will open that says Schedule a Hangout On Air. It looks similar to creating an event, because in fact, we are creating an event for our Hangout On Air. Like any regular Hangout On Air, we need to give it a name. And for the event, a short description. We now have the option to start it now. It will create the Hangout On Air right at this moment, or to create it for a later date and time. When we click later, we can change the date and the time. Click on date and select a date on the calendar, and click on time and select the time. Then you choose your audience. Usually you share with public and maybe invite other circles or communities, and then click share. This creates an event page for that future Hangout On Air. It includes the card for our profile, the person who created the Hangout On Air, the details like an event with the date and time, buttons to invite more people, +1, or share the event. We can also find additional links that people can use to share this event. Here in the details, we have the link to the event, or on the Hangout On Air placeholder, you can also find the link to the event page. On this event page, you can add a trailer, a short video that talks about what the Hangout will be about. So you can prepare that beforehand. Just for testing, I'm going to add one of my old videos. You can search for it or enter by URL and click Add Video. So now when I refresh and people come to this event page, they can play the trailer for this event. When the time comes for the Hangout On Air, just click Start Hangout, and a regular Hangout On Air window will open. The name is already there, but you can add people to invite them inside the Hangout. This starts the Hangout window, but the broadcast will not start until we click the broadcast button. But if we want, we can link this Hangout On Air with the question and answers app. Just click on the questions and answer app on the left, and it will link this Hangout On Air to the event. That means that when people come to the Hangout On Air event page and click on the arrow, it will open the watch page for the questions and answers app, and people can start asking questions. When we start the broadcast by clicking the Start Broadcast red button, so when we go to the event page, it will show that the broadcast is now live. The thumbnail will change as the show progresses. And when people click on the arrow, it will open the watch page where they can see the show and ask questions. When you're done with your Hangout On Air, just click End Broadcast as usual. After ending the broadcast, the recording of the Hangout on Air will remain on the event page for people to watch anytime.